Let's start with opening the cover from the bottom. Then, carefully pry off the mechanical switch button. Remove both screws. Let's have a good look at the in and out of the switches. First, remove the C to wire and connect it to the L2 of the second switch. Make sure to screw on securely. Now, remove the C1 wire and connect it to the L1 of second switch. Screw on securely. This is a jumper wire that brings the power from L1 to L2. Remove that wire.
Throw it away!
Carefully remove live wire. This is the live and L for second switch. Connect the live wire into L. Screw on securely. Try to push the wire back into the wall to create space for the switch. Screw the switch back on. Finally, simply click the cover on. And you are done.